In this video, we are going to be talking about what is cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, why cosmetic grade, where can I find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, how to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, and I'll probably have more little tips at the end if I think of any throughout the course of this video. You came here to learn. I need some lip gloss. Hold on. We on a mission. Hi guys. How are you today? So, chances are you clicked on this video because you wanted to learn about, you guessed it, lip gloss pigment. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. We are glad to have you as a part of the Royal family. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. Royal family member. Okay. Hi, I go by the Royal Baddie, and I'm here today to teach you guys about cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment. You guessed it. Bravo, give yourselves a round of applause, okay? If you would like to catch more of the Baddie's vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at the Royal Baddie. If you would like to listen to any of my vibes, because you know I make music, right? You can listen on YouTube at the Royal Baddie. If you would like to see more behind the scenes content of RoyalBaddieCosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page at RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. Also, go check out our website, RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. We got something for all the baddies. Period. Okay, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Alright, y'all, let me know. Do y'all like the mic or no? Okay, for real. Alright, y'all came here to learn about lip gloss pigment. If you guys see me looking down, it is because I have notes. I got a comment on one of the last videos. I'll link it here. It was about the difference in pigments, where I talked about where I talked about mica pigment, oxide, the difference between mica pigment, oxide, liquid lip gloss pigment. I talked about powder lip gloss pigment and all that. So you guys can go check that out. There's a lot of insightful knowledge in there, especially for beginners. So someone had asked me on the video, let me go read the comment. Okay, so they asked, the video name is how to choose the best lip gloss pigment. They said, I love your video, red heart. Thank you. So I love your video. I have a question. Can I use a resin pigment dye for lip gloss? Because I do see it whenever I search for lip pigment. My response was, thank you, no. Thank you and no. You want to use cosmetic grade pigment. Let me say that again. You want to use cosmetic grade pigment. It should say safe for lips or something similar. Just make sure it mentions lip/lip gloss. You can look at my Baddie Business playlist. You can look at my Baddie Business playlist for more insightful videos. And if you still have questions, feel free to ask. So, once they asked me that question and I was needing content, I'm like, that's a good thing to create a video on. I never really thought of like that to be a video topic, because I thought it was obvious. But for beginners, I'm not trying to say that in a condescending way. Hopefully that didn't sound condescending. But for beginners, a lot of things might be confusing because I was once a beginner, and yeah, some obvious things to, at the time, things that were obvious to vets were not so obvious to me because it was new. It's like a blank slate. Now you have to learn the ins and out of this specific niche. Okay, so in this video we are going to be talking about what is cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, why cosmetic grade, where can I find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, how to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, and I'll probably have more little tips at the end if I think of any throughout the course of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. What is cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment? Also guys, I did not look up any definitions for these things because I know what they mean, and I wanted to put them in beginner terms, and I wanted to break it down as simple as possible using my own words. So let me know if you still have any questions, okay? Cosmetic grade means it is specifically used for cosmetics. Take it a step further, you want to make sure it mentions safe for lips or can be used in lip gloss. Cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment is cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment is colorant used to turn your lip gloss into your desired color. Okay, and in the other video, how to choose the best lip gloss pigment, I go more into depth about each type of pigment that you can use. So yeah, go check that out after this video, or go check that out and come back to this video. Let me know if you still have questions, okay? You just want to make sure it says cosmetic grade. It's safe for cosmetics, okay? The next question is, why cosmetic grade? Well, you have to use cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment because it is safe for lips. It has to mention safe for lips or something like that. That way there will be no breakouts, rashes, or irritation. Trust me, you don't want nobody coming to you saying that your product broke their lips out or nothing like that. That's not a good feeling. So I would never want you guys to experience that, especially if you're building your business and you're taking it seriously. So you should do all the required research, and if you don't want to do the research, that's what you have me for. Go check out my Baddie business playlist. I have many videos telling you guys what's what, giving you more insightful tips, giving you guys more insight on the lip gloss business, cosmetic lip gloss, whatever. And if you have any questions that I have not answered, feel free to ask me. So now we're going to move on to, where can I find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment? Okay, I just want to say that all of these sites that I'm going to mention, I have personally ordered from them. So, okay, now first, these are in no specific order, but it's just like really where beginners tend to go first. So first, TKB, which is where most beginners start because they're like the most known or whatever. So you can find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment on TKB, and they have a chart where it shows you if it's safe for lips, if it's safe for eyes, if it's safe for nails. Some pigments can be used for multiple cosmetic uses: lips, nails, eyes. Some can only be used for nails. Some can only be used for eyes. So you want to make sure that it says safe for lips or lip gloss. Where can I find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment? Another place would be No Problema. They are known for their Versagel. They're like a newer company. Like I think they started like after TKB. I'm not really sure, but I know like I just recently got onto them probably like last year or earlier this year or something like that. And yeah, they sell Versagel, but they also sell pigments that I have purchased. And yeah, they sell pigments, and I've purchased and used their pigments before. They also sell other things. They wholesale as well. So speaking of wholesale, I'll be offering wholesale soon, so guys, stay on the lookout for that. Another place you can find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment is a website called Making Cosmetics. It is a website where they have like a whole bunch of stuff. They have polyisobutene, they have a whole bunch of cosmetic ingredients. So yeah. Another place is wholesaleSuppliesPlus.com. I don't think I ordered pigment from them, but I did order like mango butter from them and some other oils and stuff like that from them. So yeah, you can search on there for cosmetic grade lip pigment. And then what else? Oh, you can also find cosmetic grade lip pigment with lip gloss wholesalers, which is small lip gloss businesses like myself. I'm not sure if I'll offer pigment, but I know I'll be offering wholesale lip gloss. So in tubes. So yeah, you can find lip pigment with small lip gloss businesses, some that offer that. Also, you can find it on Amazon, but you want to make sure you really research and read the reviews. You want to make sure if you're getting it off Amazon, you want to make sure that you're researching, basically reading the reviews and see what people are saying about using it in their lip gloss. Look at the pictures, read the reviews, see if people saying it broke them out or stuff like that. And then the last place is any other place that you have found and have done in-depth research on. So if you find some on Etsy, you want to make sure you read the reviews and see what people are saying, look at their pictures and stuff like that. Make sure that it is a reputable source that you are getting it from, basically. And you want to try it before you sell it. Make sure you try it out for like a week or two before you start selling it to people. You want to know how it... Excuse the noise in the background, y'all. But you want to know how your product is working on whatever it is meant for. If you're selling lotion, if you're selling hair, if you're anything, you want to test out your own product before you put it out on the market, okay? Because anything we attach our name to, it has to be top tier, okay? Lastly, I'm going to tell you guys how to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment. How to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment. I know it's kind of similar to where to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment, but if you wanted to branch out on your own and find like your own vendor or source or whatever, these are some tips on how to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment or lip pigment or whatever. So search cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment in Google and just play around with the search terms. This is something that I do when I'm looking for really anything, but especially as a beginner, I did this. So you want to search cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment in Google and just play around with the search terms. Search it as many different ways, like lip pigment, cosmetic grade pigment, pigment for lip gloss, liquid lip gloss pigment. You just want to play around with the search terms, do as many different variations meaning the same thing. Hello, you just too loud, just lower it down a little bit.
We'll sing a punk pop too.
Okay, but you don't have to be that loud though. I can hear you all in my video.
Why do you have a microphone?
I just thought of it, something fun and like.
Okay.
But yeah, you want to search it in as many different variations as you can think of. Oh, and then again, I said what I just told you guys. There are pigments that can be used in all cosmetics, such as soap, body products, lip gloss, etc., etc. Then there are also pigments that can only be used in eyeshadow, or only in soap, or only in nail polish, or only in lip gloss. Liquid pigments are usually specifically for lip gloss. They probably have some liquid pigments for other things, but when I see liquid pigments on TKB, they're usually for lip gloss. But still, do your research. once again, you want to read the reviews if they have any, and also the description. Make sure in the description it mentions safe for lips, lip gloss use. Once I see that it's safe for the lips, I like to look at the reviews just for clarification of people using it to make lip gloss with it and see what they're saying. So yeah, that is where and how to find cosmetic grade lip gloss pigment for your lip gloss business. This goes for really any business. If you're searching for something, you can use the same set of tips and apply it to searching for hair vendors. You can search for lash vendors. You can search for whatever. These tips go for how to find vendors and how to find cosmetic grade lip pigment. So you can use these tips for any business, okay? And that is the end of this Baddie business meeting. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. And if you want to catch more of my vibe, all the links, all my social medias are in the description box. And yeah, let me know what else y'all want to see from me. And meeting adjourned, Royal family. Until next time, bye.